As I age, I'm looking back, a lot of reflection this quarter because I'm 70 now and holidays and so on. And now I'm on YouTube and TikTok and all that. And I'm listening to a lot of audiobooks now. And Apple News is kind of cool too because it's audio, a lot of audio for current events. So I was listening to Charlie Munger. I mean, this guy, I'm listening to his book and listening to him and some of his videos and advice. I received the same advice over the years. And, from my father. I'm one of 11 children, and my father gave me a heads up on a few things. And being in business with my father, there's many, many Saturdays that we would talk. And he would always remind me about making sure you pick the right horse. What he meant by that was picking the right employer, picking the right spouse, the right friends, and so on. And it's a tough thing, man. It's a tough thing. So I thought about a few regrets that I made because should I say I have no regrets? I could say I have no regrets, but they were learning experiences. So let's call them that, learning experiences. Number one, I picked the wrong horse and clients at times. Why? Well, I was after the financial rewards versus doing the right thing. Let me expound on that. I was doing the right thing. I was thinking about justice and righteousness, but I sued the client, and I thought I was doing the right thing. And I did. I did the right thing. I picked the right attorney. We went about it correctly, but at the end of the day, I lost the arbitration. And losing the arbitration taught me something. My attorney mentioned something to me. He goes, Rock, there's a difference. Yes, we lost. That was the key. We lost. He was all in on that. But there's a saying amongst attorneys. What's the difference between a good attorney and a great attorney? A great attorney, a good attorney knows the law. A great attorney knows the judge. And looking back at it, there's no doubt in my mind, the opposing counsel knew the arbitrator and sided with the defendant. It was horrible. Horrible. But I learned something. Never go to trial. Always settle, negotiate, compromise, and so on. So that's what I want to mention to you. My dad's, if I would have shared this with my father and I felt like, nah, I'm not going to bring these problems to my father or even ask for his advice, because I would say, years ago, he would say, if you got the opportunity to get out of a problem, buy yourself out of it. And that's true. And 98% of deals are settled anyway. So those are lessons that I learned, and I've learned. Number one, I have a contract drafted by an attorney. Expect litigation. Expect betrayal. That's normal. Expect deceit. So it's crazy, man, but that's one of the lessons I learned. And it's paid off since, because now I know, stay away. Preserve your wealth. Preserve your reputation. Do the right thing. And like my brand is right now is, after all these years of dealing with people, is always bring joy. That's how I'm going to leave this. Always bring joy. So heads up out there. Take care of yourself. because no one else will. Talk to you later.